Malta, a small archipelago nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, offers a blend of captivating landscapes and rich cultural heritage. This island nation, known for its picturesque coastlines and vibrant history, serves as a gateway to exploring the diverse influences of European, North African, and Middle Eastern cultures. The Maltese Islands, though compact, pack a variety of experiences ranging from serene beaches to ancient towns. Malta's appeal is not just its scenic beauty, but also its dense historical layers dating back to prehistoric times. The islands are home to some of the oldest freestanding structures in the world. This historical depth offers a unique backdrop to every visit, ensuring that tourists not only relax but also engage with the past in meaningful ways. The cultural richness of Malta is mirrored in its festivals, cuisine, and everyday life. The Maltese people, known for their warm hospitality, make every visitor's experience memorable. Whether wandering the winding streets of ancient cities, basking on sunlit beaches, or joining in the local festa celebrations, Malta promises a journey of discovery. Valletta, the capital of Malta, is a cultural and historical treasure trove. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this city is a living museum, adorned with Baroque architecture, fortified walls, and ancient artifacts. Its streets are a testament to the rich history of the Knights of St. John, who built this city as a refuge and a fortress. Strolling through Valletta, visitors can explore attractions such as St. John's Co-Cathedral, with its lavish interior, and the Grand Master's Palace. The city also offers panoramic views of the harbour and the surrounding areas, best enjoyed from the Upper Baraka Gardens. The blend of history, art, and vibrant street life makes Valletta a must-visit. Moreover, Valletta is not just about historical exploration. It's a hub of contemporary culture with numerous cafes, shops, and galleries. The city's cultural calendar is packed with events, from international film festivals to local theatre productions, reflecting the dynamic nature of this historic yet ever-evolving capital. Medina, known as the Silent City, is a striking contrast to the bustling streets of Valletta. This ancient walled city, with its narrow lamplit streets and timeless ambience, offers a journey back in time. Once the capital of Malta, Medina is steeped in history and tranquility, largely because only a limited number of residents and cars are allowed inside. The architectural elegance of Medina is evident in its mix of medieval and Baroque buildings. Key highlights include the imposing Medina Cathedral and the Palazzo Falson, which houses an extensive collection of antiques. Each corner and alley tells a story, preserved over centuries, inviting curiosity and exploration. Visiting Medina at dusk offers an enchanting experience as the city transforms under the glow of street lamps, creating a mysterious, almost magical atmosphere. The silent streets, free from the day's crowds, provide a perfect setting for those seeking a peaceful retreat into history. Gozo, Malta's sister island, is known for its rustic charm and slower pace of life. This island offers a respite from the more tourist-heavy spots in Malta, with its rolling hills, rugged landscapes, and pristine beaches. Gozo is particularly famous for its scenic coastline, which includes the stunning Azure Window, a natural arch that was a popular landmark before its collapse in 2017. The culture of Gozo is deeply rooted in traditions, with its villages hosting vibrant local festivals that showcase folk music, dance, and culinary delights. The Gantia temples, older than Egypt's pyramids, are a testament to the island's ancient cultural heritage, providing insights into early human civilization. For adventure seekers, Gozo offers ample opportunities such as hiking, diving, and rock climbing. The island's unique topography and clear waters make it an ideal spot for outdoor activities. Whether it's exploring the depths of the Blue Hole, one of Europe's best dive sites, or trekking along the rugged cliffs, Gozo promises an exhilarating experience amidst natural beauty. Comino and the Blue Lagoon. Comino, the smallest of the inhabited Maltese islands, is an untouched paradise nestled between Malta and Gozo. Known for its tranquility and the crystal-clear waters of the Blue Lagoon, Comino serves as a haven for snorkelers, divers, and those seeking a peaceful retreat from the more crowded locales. The Blue Lagoon, with its shimmering aqua-blue waters, is arguably the biggest draw. This picturesque bay, surrounded by rock formations and accessible only by boat, offers an ideal spot for swimming and basking in the Mediterranean sun. The stark contrast of the vibrant blue waters against the rocky landscape is truly a spectacular sight. Despite its small size, Comino is also home to a range of flora and fauna, providing interesting trails for nature lovers. The island's rugged terrain and panoramic views make it a popular destination for photographers and hikers alike. A visit to Comino, with its serene environment and natural beauty, is a refreshing escape into nature's embrace. Maltese cuisine is a delicious reflection of the island's multicultural history, influenced by Italian, Middle Eastern, and British cuisines. Traditional dishes such as pastizi, flaky pastries filled with ricotta or peas, and fencata, a hearty rabbit stew, showcase the local flavors and culinary practices passed down through generations. Seafood is a staple in the Maltese diet, with lampuki pie, fish pie, and bracioli, beef olives, being favorites among locals and tourists alike. The use of fresh, local ingredients emphasizes the island's connection to both land and sea, offering a taste of Malta's natural bounty. For those with a sweet tooth, Malta does not disappoint. Desserts like cannoli, tubes of crispy pastry filled with sweet ricotta, and honey rings are must-tries. Exploring Maltese cuisine provides a delectable insight into the island's culture and is an integral part of the travel experience. Malta's calendar is replete with festivals, celebrating everything from religious feasts to music and arts. These events are not only a spectacle, but also a profound way to experience the local culture and community spirit. The Feast of St. Paul, commemorating the shipwreck of St. Paul on Malta, is particularly significant, featuring processions, fireworks, and a festive atmosphere. Summer brings the Malta Jazz Festival and the Malta International Arts Festival, attracting global talent and audiences. These festivals highlight Malta's vibrant cultural scene and its status as a meeting point of various artistic expressions. Carnival Week, another highlight, sees Malta bursting with color and energy. Elaborate floats, costumes, and dances take over the streets, making it a perfect time for tourists to immerse themselves in the celebratory mood and dynamic traditions of the Maltese people. Visiting Malta is an enriching experience, but it helps to keep some travel tips in mind. First, while English is widely spoken, learning a few phrases in Maltese can enrich your interaction with locals. Public transport is reliable and affordable, providing an easy way to explore the islands. The best times to visit are during the spring and early autumn, when the weather is pleasant and the tourist crowds are thinner. Also, while Malta is generally safe, it's wise to take usual travel precautions regarding personal belongings and safety. Lastly, be sure to respect local customs and environmental regulations, especially in rural and protected areas. Preserving the beauty and integrity of Malta's landscapes is crucial for sustaining its appeal as a top tourist destination. Malta, with its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant cultural tapestry, offers a unique travel experience that caters to a variety of tastes and interests. From the historical streets of Valletta to the pristine waters of the Blue Lagoon, each locale presents a part of Malta's charm. The island's cuisine and festive traditions add layers of depth to the visitor's journey. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a cultural explorer, Malta promises a compelling and rewarding adventure. Its blend of old-world charm and contemporary vibrancy makes it an irresistible destination for travelers around the world. Remember, the true essence of Malta is discovered not just in its sights, but in its spirit and the warmth of its people. Embrace the opportunity to explore this Mediterranean gem. Malta is not just a destination, it's an experience waiting to be cherished.